The landscaping on this one is simple, but simple also means less maintenance, which I'm a fan of, especially minimal mowing in the summer. Living room is pretty large, and I really like the dark beam that sort of separates the areas. Which, speaking of areas, this house has some extra space. It feels like they maximize the square foot on this one. Like right past this laundry room is an office. Why right here? I don't know, but maybe it's a good way to get away from the kids? It's an interesting work from home space anyway. Take care of work, watch over your laundry. It's like total win. I don't know why this right here made me think of baby changing areas you see in, public bathrooms, but it just did. And then you have this huge room. What do you do with this room? I have no idea. I would bet you could figure out something to do with this space. And it has two skylights, so, a lot of natural light. The backyard is bigger than average, and it has this nice cover over the deck. So I could imagine you sitting out there and enjoying the air and the greenery. Or go play on that playset. I mean, it has three swings, and you are never too old to play on swings. And if you don't like swings, hey, I won't judge. The kitchen is updated, includes this fridge, and it has a nice undermount sink. And a pantry! Whoever built this house knew we'd all be shopping at Costco and didn't shortchange the buyers. I really do like the color of the cabinets. But, do you all like natural wood look or the painted look? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. The guest bathroom has a stained glass window. It feels super random, but hey, it's framed, so that's extra. Also has a nice solar tube. Do you all know how solar tubes work? So the light bounces off reflective lenses all the way from the roof down to your ceiling. And then it just looks like you have another can light. But even better because the light is free. This bathroom has a stained glass too, but now I see that this is actually a glass between the two bathrooms. And as nice as it looks, I think I would rather have a solid wall between my bathrooms. The primary bedroom is interesting. I do like when there's a second slider so you can go straight to the backyard. And since the backyard playground is right outside your window, you can yell at the kids to keep it down. Both the other bedrooms have cork bulletin boards. I wonder what they hung there. It's an interesting idea for a kid's room though. Anyway, if you want to see this property in person, send me a message and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search.